Hi guys, welcome back to my Kids Up channel. In this video we are going to see about opposite words. Big, small, fast, slow, hot, cold, boy, girl, fat, thin, left, right, strong, weak, sweet, sour, right, wrong, high, low, young, old, tall, short, heavy, light, hard, soft, old, new, good, bad, same, different, on, off, yes, no, odd, even, sugar, salt, stop, go, beautiful, ugly, rich, poor, white, black, happy, sad, up, down, open, close, men, women, married, single, day, night, sit, stand, cry, laugh, many, few, under, over, in, out, asleep, awake, cheap, expensive, front, back, dirty, clean, present, absent, start, finish, light, dark, low, hate, dry, wet, near, far, thin, thick. Hope you learned something new. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.